The recommendation is to replace your filter every 12 months. The Duofresh annual servicing kit is available at your local Reese bathroom store. The Geberit Home app will notify you when it's time to replace the filter. Click Continue. The app will display step-by-step instructions on how to replace the filter. First, pull the flush button forward and swivel to the right. The odour extraction unit will stop automatically. Pull out the drawer with the filter. Have the new filter ready. Push in the new drawer and filter unit until it locks into place. Swivel the flush button to the left and gently push it in until it clicks into place, and done.